Martin, we're here at the SMW-AUTOBLOK Telbrook manufacturing facility. Now, we're all familiar with your standard product range, especially the steady rests. But what do you actually do on this site?
As well as Nottingham, we make the bespoke hydraulic fixtures for the aerospace industry. We also do large trunnions and the chuck jaws for SMW-AUTOBLOK chucks. We also make steady rests and steady brackets, different varieties, auto, manual, and lots of other things like that.
So, to be fair, there's not much that you don't do here apart from obviously manufacture the standard product range. And can you kind of give me a little bit of an insight into the standard product range before we move into this actual facility in a bit more depth?
Well, most of the standard products we make here are steady rests and brackets, and because we've been doing them for so long, we've got an array of machine dimensions which we can pull off our database and adjust and suit for the different ranges of any machine that the customer wants.
Now, in regards to capabilities on this site, you know, what kind of capabilities in regards machine-wise have you got and kind of capacity? Because some of the special aerospace fixtures that you make, I mean, your CMM is huge, for example. Some of the fixtures that you make are massive.
Yeah, we've got the Doosan behind us, which is a 2-metre bed, rotary table and a swinging B-axis, full 5-axis. We've also got a DMG Mori, which is full 5-axis as well. That's actually got a rotary table inside the bed. We've got a large vertical boring machine which can turn up to 1.2 metres. We've got lots of lathes, milling machines, manual and CNC as well.
So Telbrook joined the SMW-AUTOBLOK group approximately 2 years ago. Strategically, was this the reason for this additional manufacturing facility?
Yes, it was. As we were joining a global company, we realised that we needed more capacity. This was for sale at the right time, so we bought this facility to increase capacity. We already knew that they had the skills, machines and knowledge of the fixtures and products that are similar to our own, so it was right to purchase this facility at that time.
Now, the fixtures that you make for the UK market, if I start with the UK market, predominantly for the aerospace industry, are the most complex kind of fixtures that you'll see anywhere. Are you going to be seeing a lot of growth in export effectively now you've got this extra capacity?
Yes, I believe so, because now we're part of a global organisation. We've got the knowledge to make our fixtures and get them out across the world to anyone who wants them.
Martin, they are an absolutely huge company globally, and they sell so much standard product across the world. You know, is this going to open up new marketplaces for you in the UK in regards to the amount of standard products which include vices, tombstones, the steady rests, of course? You know, how is this going to affect your UK business and growth?
It's going to affect it massively. As we make the fixtures, we can integrate all of standard SMW-AUTOBLOK's standard parts into those fixtures. So it's a win-win situation between Telbrook and SMW-AUTOBLOK.